Good morning, friends. Welcome back to She's in Her Apron. I know you're gonna ask, the new quilt is from Steinmart. And I just wanted something springy and summery, and I like it. It's different. It's definitely different for me with the salmony pinks and stuff, but I'm loving it. It's so cute, and I love the quality of the Steinmart quilt. And let's see, oh gosh, I got it on sale a couple weeks ago, and the quilt was like $30. And the shams, well, I got sheets, shams, 3 shams, and the comforter. I paid like $100. It was awesome, and I think I got free shipping, so sweet. Hello, good morning. It took everything in me today to put my makeup on. I have been tired the last couple of days, very tired. I'm trying to clean up my diet, but I know why I'm tired. It's something that's been going on. I don't talk about it, but it's been a rough couple of days, and just trying to get my energy going. I mean, I've been productive, I've been doing things, but it has been like dragging. I've been dragging. I am going out of town with Derek. Yes, Derek and I are escaping this weekend, and I am so excited. We try to get away at least twice a year, just go somewhere, and just be together. He found a great deal at the homestead up in Midway. It's up like Provo Canyon, like by Heber. We're gonna go into Park City, but the thing is, we have no plans. We have no plans. All we know is that we are going to Park City to get a lobster roll from this amazing place. I forget the name of it, and so I'm excited about that, but we have no plans. We're just gonna be and just relax. Derek needs this. I think he needs this more than me right now, and we just want to be together, and I am so excited to have that time with him. So once Boston is done in tutoring, I'm gonna head home. We're going to clean, we're going to do laundry, we're going to pack, because not only do I have to pack me, I have to pack all the kids because they're staying with their grandparents. So I have a lot to do. And I want to cook more eggplant because I'm craving it like bad. So, all right, so I'm working on dinner. I'm making the eggplant parm and some pasta. So what I'm doing is another version that I make my eggplant parm is I will slice the whole thing. And now I'm going to take it and slice it vertically and have thin slices that are long because we're going to roll these. Okay, I have cut it and I have put the salt on. And I'm gonna let this sit here for about 30 minutes. All right, I'm starting to roll them up. So what I did was I put a layer of ricotta cheese, a little bit of mozzarella, rolled them up, and put them in the pan. Probably don't need this big of a pan, but we'll see. And this is gonna be so good. Oh, and it's all done. I just topped it with some more sauce and mozzarella cheese. And this is actually my gravy that I make, my Sunday gravy. And oh yeah, so this is gonna really taste like my grandmother's. Yum. Okay, I can't wait for later. I am digging in now. Oh, yum, yum, yum. So we also roll this up with ground beef. You could do veal, pork, a mixture of that in also. I grew up with that, and that's also a favorite. Oh, so good. If you don't think you could do the 1/4 inch slices, if you think that's gonna be too thick for you, seriously do it this way. Oh my gosh, that ricotta cheese is so good. So I washed our shower curtain, and now I'm gonna hang it up to dry. I never dry my shower curtain. Okay, that's gonna hang there and dry. Yeah, I never put my shower curtains in the dryer, so. All right, I've been doing laundry like crazy. I have all this to hang up and put away here. I've started to pack piles here for our getaway, so now I'm just gonna get this laundry put away. Good morning, friends. Well, actually, I should say good afternoon. It's almost 1 o'clock, and I have been getting ready for our weekend getaway. Let's see. I am working in the kitchen right now because I never leave the house a mess. I try not to, especially the kitchen. No. So the dishwasher is running. That is loaded. I forgot to turn it on last night. Ugh. So that is running, and I am working and washing all of this, getting it on the towel to dry, and then I'll wipe down my stove from dinner last night. So not bad at all. So yeah, the kids should be home in about an hour. Yeah, about an hour, and hopefully Derek will be here within the hour, and they're going to pack the things that they want to bring, like toys and gadgets and things, and we'll be ready to go. So, all right, I'm all packed. Yeah, I am so excited just to do nothing with Derek. Oh, yeah. So, okay. All right, so I am going to do dishes. If you have dishes, will you do them with me? Because I hate doing dishes, so aprons on, let's go.
Calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. It's trouble in your mind how I spend my time, but it's a 24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize. There are plenty more ways to think. I am not pretending. I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. You're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. Boy, it's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad.
All right, here's my stuff. I'm just bringing a duffel bag and a toiletry bag. I'll put my flat iron in the toiletry bag when we leave. A coat and a sweater that I'm wearing on the way out. So I am set to go. Okay, what I did was as I layered their clothes on the table as I was preparing them. Okay, I got all of Shaylee's clothes here for the weekend. I just need to get her duffel bag and put all of that in there, and now I'm starting to work on Boston's. I got one pair of socks. So now I'm working on his, and sometimes I'll get them in the same duffel bag on a weekend trip. Sometimes I'll get them both in the same duffel bag when it's a weekend trip like this, so if I can, I'll do that. I do have Boston's suit for church on Sunday. That's right there, so I just got to get the rest of his clothes. They'll be home soon and he can pick out. I do need to switch the laundry really quick. Shoot. Okay, I gotta go do that. Eek. And now they're all in this bag. I was able to get both of them in the one bag. And they have their own backpacks and things with all their toys and things to keep them busy at Oma. So they are ready to go. Okay, here's Boston's suit. His pants are in there, his shirt, his tie, his coat. All right, I'm gonna put their church shoes in another bag. So they are set to go. Boston is getting Paige ready for the trip because Paige is sleeping over there too. And he's washing out Paige's bowls to bring. We've got backpacks and toys. Yes, looking over the golf course. It's nice and warm in here. Nice. Oh, I'm soaking in that. Yes, I am. Well, we made it and it's adorable. And now we're going to just be. We have no plans, and we're going to relax and just enjoy each other's company. And oh, all right, guys, thanks for joining us. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I'm sure we're gonna have a great weekend. So we'll see you soon. Bye.
Toodles.